We have a brand new collection from Hunkydory. It's called Butterfly Blue, and I have to tell you, there are a lot of different pieces to this collection. Now, as you can see, well, let's see. There you go. I'm going to show you all the pieces that are in it. It makes at least 16 cards, unless, of course, you want to figure out how you can make more, and I think you can do that. Now, it does have an idea sheet complete with all the things that are in the collection, so we have almost all of them here. And as you can tell, the foiling is blue. Now that's very unusual for Hunkydory. Now this is going to have 102 foil die cuts. You're going to get 2 of every single thing I'm showing you. Really, really pretty. So as you know, with the foiled die cuts, you also get a foiled adorable Scorable. Isn't that pretty? Then you also get a matching printed one that's not foiled, but ever so lovely. Here is another sheet of the foiled. They also have borders, as you can see, multiple nested pieces very often, and then individual ones, some with words and greetings, so you have everything together. Here is the foiled one, and here is the printed, so works well. Here is the 3rd sheet, or the 6th sheet, I guess, and wishing you the happiest of birthdays, many happy returns, enjoy your day, butterfly kisses, very fun. And the foiled, you can see that foiling there, also there, as well as the printed. And this is the last set, and you can see those really pretty flowers. And the foiled, fun to have those butterflies in blue, and the printed. So that is our Butterfly Blue. This is the topper collection, so that all works together. Then we have more. This is not anywhere near, are we done? Okay, now we have an 8x8 book, and this book looks like this. And there are a total of 48 sheets included. There are 12 different designs, so you're going to get 4 of each. And let me just show them to you. These are double-sided, so you do get, you're going to be able to use everything. So I'll flip that over to show you. Here we go. Very pretty. Everything in blue isn't the only color. You can see there's pinks and purples, teals, but there are pretty much butterflies everywhere, as you would expect. And just some beautiful art. Really, really nice. And there we go. One more. Okay, so those are all of those sheets in the 8x8 pad. Now, as you would expect, and we always do want to have coordinating cardstock, and Hunkydory does a great job with their adorable Scorable collection. And there are 30 sheets. You're going to get 10 colors. You're going to get 3 of each. Now, I've pulled out 1 of each just to give you this collection. There is an image on the package, and you can see that on the website too. And hopefully that's 10. And all of those are going to coordinate perfectly. So you get 3 of each. They are single-sided, so you do always have white on the back side. Now, something else that's different, the acetate, the foiled acetate, which is just something I love. And you're going to get 16 sheets. You're going to get 4 each of 4 designs. Let me show you. And I think I'm going to pull a white to go underneath these so you can really appreciate the designs. So here we go. Again, the blue foiling, as you can see, doesn't that just pop? So you're going to get 4 of that. You're going to get 4 of that very pretty border. You're going to get 4 of this border. In fact, it's a double border. That's nice. Again, that rich foiling. And you're going to get this absolutely charming butterfly border. Isn't that pretty? Now, you know the acetate is useful for making shaker cards, for making cards that span, just lots of ideas. So that is our foiled acetate. Now, something that I have not seen, or if I did, it's been quite a while ago, this is Butterfly Blue Merry Textures. Why is it called Textures? Well, because all of the sheets are embossed or debossed. They are all this electric blue that everything has in this whole collection. There are 20 sheets. You're going to get 2 each of 10 designs. So you can see this dot, you can see this floral, I hope you're seeing this, and the spiral or the swirls. Here we have stars all over, more swirls, just really beautiful. And these are the adorable Scorable weight too. Butterflies are just fluttering everywhere. And there's flowers. In fact, it looks like dandelions. And a little bit larger butterflies on this sheet. And we have a quilted look. And then we have hearts all over. So you're going to get 2 of each sheet in this. So that's pretty wonderful. Now, we also have another collection, which is also different. This is called Fluttering Butterflies Foiled Edge-to-Edge Cardstock. Now, there's 16 sheets. You're going to get 4 each of 4 designs. So let me show them to you. You see, so the foiling is going all over. That's nice. You get 4 of those. You're going to get 4 of these. Isn't that pretty with those little ones? Here you have a little bit larger butterflies. And here we have teal. As I said, there are many colors in this. So this is also something that's unusual. Now, see all these packages going. This is electric blue Mary cardstock. This is super shiny, super blue. There are 20 sheets and they are all exactly the same. They are the A4 and they are in this electric blue. So you've got plenty here for die cutting, for matting, for making cards, for doing anything that you like, and they are glorious. Now, we don't want to forget the inserts because, as we have learned, they are so useful. Now, this has 36 sheets. You're going to get 12 designs, and you get 3 of each one. Now, I have just pulled out 1 of each just to walk you through the designs you're going to get. So, again, this is the imagery that you saw on the original set. Oh, so pretty. Just really, really nice. And again, butterflies, sometimes on the left side, sometimes on the right side. Now, as you've seen from watching the webisodes, there are just a lot of things you can do with these. They're called inserts. You can do inside your card, but you can also put them on the front of your card. Now, this time, there are also some that are all over patterns. So that was a greenish, and there's a blue. So that's nice. And this is the butterfly blue inserts. 2 more lovely things to go with this are 2 cutting dies. This one is called Butterfly Flurry, or sorry, Flutterby Flurry. And you can see this large one piece, spread your wings and fly, as well as the individual butterflies. So you can do them on a card at an angle, you can do them on a slim line, lots of different ways. There is a second cutting die. This is called Pretty Butterfly Panel. Well, it's not just one panel, but you also get some borders, thank you, best wishes, and a butterfly. Really, really nice. I'll turn this over just so you can see the sizes. So it's a really nice size. It wouldn't span an entire 8-inch long a slimline card, but it would make a wonderful statement on that same card. And then the borders, I'm sure that you can do them multiple times to have things connect. Same thing with the second one. Let me just turn this over so you can see it. There you go. You just get an idea of the span of that. Just really, really nice. So we have a gorgeous collection of butterfly blue, and certainly blue is the prominent color, with all of these images, all of these products that are just perfect for creating, and I know you're going to create something wonderful. Thank you, Hunkydory. We're excited to get going with these.